Alright guys, next service call of the day. Here we have an Aprilair steam humidifier, but the canister has to be replaced. The water in this area is very bad, so I have to come every year to be changing this canister. This water, what is that? Oh, there's no water there. There's water here. It's very weird. There's water here. I don't think this is about a 3-year-old install, but I don't know where that water would be coming from. Anyways, we'll test it out later. So now we're just draining the water that's in the canister, so we could be able to switch it out with a Aprilair steam canister. It's very important to put the one that is made by Aprilair, because it could blow your board if you put the Chinese ones from China. If you put the Chinese one from China, it could blow your board because the elements aren't made as well. So it's very important to put the same one. So this is there's a door switch here, so as soon as I remove the door, there's no more power. But I will still close the breaker. So it's very simple to change this out. You have your overflow switch, safety, with your elements, and the tube. So I'll get that. So this, and this, and this. Forgot to bring my hex screwdriver, so I'll just use my flat to loosen this. Pull this out. Still tight. Wow, that's really tight actually. Okay, just pull it out this way then. Well, that's actually very tight. Very twisted. It should come out. There we go. Just twist it up. So I don't know if you could see this, but there's a lot of sediment in here from the dirty water, and it corrodes your elements. So this is the old guy, so we'll put him in here, and get the gasket. The gasket's in the box. Alright. So I'll remove the old gasket. And there's a recall on the elements. So you see here, it says that you have to use the one in there where the check mark is. So that's the ones we have. So we're good to go in terms of the elements. So let's remove the gasket. The old gasket. pliers. I was lazy. I didn't bring. We needed to. I didn't bring what needed to be done. All right, there we go. So this is the old gasket, which is honestly fine. Yeah, it's okay. So put the new one. I don't know why the new one is brown and not red, but it doesn't matter. Put it in the slot. That's it. Grab the new the canister. Put this in first because we had trouble removing it. Put it in on the top. Then you put the drain in. Drain in here. Slide it in. Let's shake it out. Push it back down. That's it. Just gonna twist it some more. We'll put the elements back. Elements back. And screw this back in. The tube to the canister is screwed back in. Alright. Okay, that's good. Put the safety overflow switch back in. Turn the power back on. And we're going to test a couple of things now, so I'll just hold the door switch for now. So I'll turn it on, and I just want to see it fill the canister first. Canister demand, the thermostat is here. Good boy. Control is here, so we'll crank it up. Go to test mode actually. Go to test mode. So humidifier's on. It's filling and actively heating the elements as we speak. So we're just gonna wait to see. We're gonna wait like maybe 30 seconds just to make sure it's filling. We have no water leaks that we saw earlier. I think it's coming. I don't know. I don't know where it's coming from. There's nothing on the vent. Maybe a little bit over there, but it's very weird. It's definitely not coming from the steam. So I don't know. So the relative humidity in the house is 20, which is very, very dry, and it's an older lady that lives here, so she really needs humidity. So I don't know why it stopped filling, and I don't know what R3 means. So we'll get out of test mode and just set it to 45% humidity and see what happens. So I don't know what R3 means. Maybe it says it on the panel. I don't think so though. No, it doesn't. What's R3 then? Put the door back. So we're back. I just flipped the switch to on the thermostat from auto to on, and as you see right away, it starts to fill the tank back up, and it's steaming. So basically, it's wired that if there's a demand for humidity, the only way it will turn on is if your fan's running. So we have a pressure switch too that was wired in there, so that's why it wasn't starting. even though I had a demand. The fan wasn't running. So we'll wait 5-10 minutes, make sure this pipe gets nice and hot, and that should be it. So as you see, it's very simple to replace the canister. The homeowner could do it too, but she's an elderly lady, so it's not feasible for her to do it. So we'll wait 5-10 minutes, and I'll be back. So it's been about 2-3 minutes. It stopped filling, so now the canister is full, and the elements are actively heating the water. That creates steam, and the steam passes through this black tube, and the supply air pushes the steam throughout the vents. Now your return is down here, which is blocked. So the return is here, and this door has no grill. So this door stays open basically to suck in all the air from the condo to go back into it, because it's a condo here. So to go all back into the system. So in order for this the controller up here to read the right humidity, this door has to be open, right? Because if the door is closed, there's no air coming in. It's only going to be the humidity that's in this room and whatever is draft air coming in through it. So it's very important that this door stays open, even in cooling mode, obviously, to suck in all the heat. But we're in heating mode now, so we'll wait another 5 minutes about, and this should be hot. Maybe it's hot already. Not yet. So we'll wait. So it took about a good 20 minutes for this to warm up. So we know it's working well. The customer is good to go for the rest of the winter. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe.